Okay, if messy disasters have you at your wits' end, meet my secret weapon. This is the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Steam. It's a vacuum and steam mop that turns messy, sticky disasters into small victories. Let me show you why I love this thing. So it can clean up milk, but can it clean up this sticky jelly? One swipe. The biggest reason I want it though is because of this big boy over here, my 90-pound lab, going in and out of the door whenever it's been raining is such a mess with muddy paw prints. Now, I did clean up most of the paw prints yesterday, but I have still a few that I want to show you. They're already dried on. Little prints that are left all over the floor, especially when the sun shines in and touches the tile. It just does not look very pretty. Can you see all those paw prints? I know it's not super easy. You can definitely see them over here. Let's get those cleaned up. Much better. Okay, now that we've done a few areas of the house, I do want to go ahead and empty the dirty water tank to see what all it grabbed. Keep in mind, we did not vacuum at all before going ahead to use the machine. Just press the button and pull it out. Look how dirty that is. Look at how much disgustingness this thing picked up. So you do have to clean this out, but look at that. It keeps the trash separate from the dirty water. All you have to do is go ahead and throw all the trash away and dump out the dirty water. That is quite disgusting, rather embarrassing, but boy, did it do a good job on the floors.